Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore a crucial aspect of any successful business strategy: understanding the needs and preferences of our target audience. So, why is it so important? Let's dive in. Firstly, by thoroughly understanding our target audience, we can tailor our products or services to meet their specific needs. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also builds brand loyalty. Connecting with our audience on a personal level is key. When we understand their pain points, desires, and aspirations, we can create content and messaging that resonates deeply, fostering a stronger connection between our brand and our customers. Moreover, by staying in tune with our audience, we can anticipate trends and changes in the market. This foresight enables us to adapt quickly and stay ahead of the competition, ensuring long-term success. Our marketing efforts become far more effective when they are tailored to the preferences of our target audience. Whether it's through social media, email campaigns, or traditional advertising, knowing our audience allows us to speak directly to them in a language they understand. Now, let's look at some real-world examples. Companies like Amazon, Flipkart have excelled by placing a strong emphasis on understanding their audience. This has resulted in increased customer satisfaction, higher conversion rates, and overall business growth. Data is our ally in this journey. Analytics tools help us track customer behavior, preferences, and engagement. By leveraging this data, we can continuously refine our strategies, ensuring they remain relevant and effective. In conclusion, understanding our target audience is not just a good practice, it's the heartbeat of a successful business. Now, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, I invite you to take advantage of a free consultation with our team. Click the link below to schedule your free consultation. Let's work together to understand your audience and elevate your business to new heights. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more updates.